Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Finnemore's art class. So the technique we're doing today is called wax resist. What we need to do is use an oil pastel crayon or any other type of crayon, and you make a pattern on the page with your crayon. Here I'm rubbing the long side against the paper. Then you get a watercolor and you paint a wash over the top in a different color, like this. So when you use this technique, you'll notice that it creates a special effect when the watercolor goes over the waxy crayon. That's why it's called wax resist. In this artwork, I've decided to use cool colors that sit next to each other on the color wheel. So they're kind of similar, but you can see with the effect that it makes the crayon kind of pop out and makes this special pattern, as you can see. Now for the next one, I've repeated the exact same process, rub the crayon against the paper, but this time instead of doing similar colors for my crayon and my wash, I've chosen two really contrasting colors. Another tip is when you put your watercolor wash over the top, you want to use quite a bit of water, but you don't want your paper to be too wet. So a good idea is, if there's a bit too much water on your paper, you can use a tissue and just pick up some of the extra water that's there. So again, here you can see that I'm painting some really contrasting colors over the top and some similar colors again, and I'm blending different colors together too. So you can play around with different colors and see what you like and what looks good. And here's my final product for this one. You can see it looks a bit like a sunset. Now for my last example, I just did lots of swirly patterns, lots of different lines. You can try something like this as well. And then I picked a similar color again for my wash. But like I said before, you can do all different colors, try what you think looks good. And here's the final product.